Hello, beautiful people of the universe. Whew. Whew. Ayan, para sa inyo, ang bugang yan. Napakalamig. At nandito na naman kami sa labas. Wait, oh my God, ang ganda ng sunset.
Nice.
Oh, di ba? Yun lang. So, we are currently outside. And, ang lamig. How? Like, how? It's cold. Wait, bye. So, the video continues. Yeah, because I cannot hold my microphone. And of course, you cannot hear me kung wala akong microphone. So, ako ang mag-a-adjust para sa inyo. Ano yan? Ano yan? Lokoy! Kids are playing. Oh. Yeah, it's all white. Ooh, boom! Bugsh! Ang mga bata ay naglalaro. Diba? At ang ganda ng sunset. Yeah. Ang cute. Oh, look, oh. Oh, diba? Para akong nasa movie. Look, napaka-OA. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung vlog ko. Parang hindi nakikita. Bibili lang kami na sibuyas sa kanto. Hindi ba? Nasaan na kami? Ay, nakadalawang na ata kami. 3 kanto. Ay. Yeah, 2 kanto pa. Medyo malapit na kami. Yeah, nasa highway na kami. Intindihin nyo na lang kung ano yung mai-vlog ko. Kasi tayo rin naman nagkakaintindihan, diba? So, ay! Ay! Whew! Whew! You see? Ah! Ganda, oh! Oh! Sige! Maano-ano ka dyan? Paikot-ikot ka pa! Girl! Maano-ano ka dyan? Sige! Sinasabi ko sa'yo dyan. Look! Oo, diba? Kala mo naman talaga. Hi! Ito kasi ang mahirap pag nagbablog ako. Hirap na hirap talaga ako mag-vlog. Gusto ko mag-vlog pero hirap na hirap ako mag-vlog. Magsisimula pa lang ako magsalita, natatawa na akis. Pinipigilan ko lang. At wala akong masabi. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako magsisimula. Pero gusto ko mag-vlog. Mga 100 practice pa ng pag-vlog. Medyo maayos siguro ako makipag-usap sa inyo. Kasi ang hirap. Ako na nagsasabi, sanay ako before makipag-usap, mag-present sa school, sa labas, sa maraming tao. Pero pag nasa camera, tingnan mo, nabibisaya. Pero pag nasa camera ka na at ikaw na lang mag-isa, tapos camera lang ang kausap mo, ang hirap.
She's lying. Don't believe anything.
Yung parang gusto mong may sasabihin ka, wala, nawawala. Yung kinoconstruct mo sa utak mo, like a day before, or even hour before ka mag-vlog, pag naharap mo na, wala na. Yun lang, gusto kong sabihin. So yun lang. Bye. Tatawid na kasi kami. Ha! So, struggle is real. Ang kapal ng snow doon. Dala-dala namin yung stroller.
She insisted going on that side of the road.
No.
Yes, she did.
You chose that one first. and
be
we're
punished
and
later.
we're always taking that road. Ay, pero malapit na kami. Ayan na, oh. Ayan na yan. Yan na, wait. Ano ba? Yan. Oh, natatanaw ko na. Bibili lang naman kami ng sibuyas, bawang, kamatis, charis. Joke. Baka maniwala kayong bibili ko ng sibuyas, bawang, kamatis. Jong English. Ayan na. Charan! There. Yan o. Diba ang lapit? 5 kanto. Habang may snow. Di wow. Di wow. Yehey!
Don't have chance.
Anak!
Get noodles.
Yehey! Bugs. So now we're in golden beef noodle soup. It's our 3rd time,
Yep.
if I'm not mistaken. We are expecting that we're gonna eat pizza today.
But
Di
they
pa
don't
naman
have
gabi.
seats.
But they don't have chair and table. So, nandito kami mag-noodles. Anak! Anak! Hello! What can you say? Up, Opo. What? No comment.
No comments.
So this is pork feet noodle soup, and that one is always
That one is the chicken.
like always.
Yeah. I do the same thing over and over again.
Anak. This is so perfect for cold. Nilamig na ang aming mga kineso. Kaya noodles na lang. Bye. Yun lang. Kasi alam nga namang i-video ko pa yung pagkain kes. Ay!
Are you sure we need that many green pepper?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
Even for sausage.
Okay.
Hi, I'm back. Hi. So we're done eating. We went to an Indian store. I cannot talk much there, so I have to talk here. They have a lot like fruits, fresh vegetable. It's good because it's near to us, so you can just walk and buy some things that you need.
They have
I'm just
enormous
sad.
spices.
Yeah, they have a lot of spices. Right? It's complete. I'm happy with that. But in this area, they don't have Asian store. And the only thing that annoys me inside is the smell of the spices is too strong for me. Yep. So, kind of wish they have a Asian store soon. Maybe. Yep. So we're going back home now. We actually went outside of the house when it's not yet dark. Now, it's already night. Why are we crossing?
Because we have to cross it.
Oh yeah, I remember I'm not in the Philippines anymore. Because in the Philippines, you're going to adjust in the car. Like you have to wait for the cars to stop before you cross. Here, the priority here is people. Yeah, the pedestrian. Mhm. So if you walk like this in the Philippines, you're probably gonna be dead. Ah! So hindi na ako masaya. Kanina masaya pa ako sa lamig. Masaya-saya. Ngayon lamig na ang kids. Good night.